This is the blizzard of 2011. This is my backyard. It's all snow. We already started half shoveling it, but could see it's just craziness with the neighbors. Gotta get my shovel out here. Gonna help my mom. It's about a little bit before 10 o'clock, or I believe. I'm so tired. But I was woken up to help shovel. This is ridiculous. And it's still gonna snow till probably 3 p.m. Look at this. Their car is down there. That's why I was woken up, because I had to try to help, but it's no use. We have to get the plows out here, or to help to pick out the car. Look at it. Yeah, this is, you think you like snow? I don't think we should like it this much. I'm gonna record more later. I wonder if it's gonna snow even more, but this is just going too far. Alright. This is all for now. Well, Lucy's dad got the snowboard to, they came over actually, and that's why they got stuck to help us out with the snowboard since we don't own one. And now my mom and Lucy are trying to get that cleared off. You can barely make it up the steps. They're trying to clear the porch off. And look, you can see like half my mom's body in the snow. She's trying to do it. It's rather ridiculous how tall this is. I mean, you probably can't notice, but that small tree there is like practically covered, so you can get an idea of like how much snow there is. At least this is helpful. This is why we need it. A snowboard, because we cannot do this without it. This is Blizzard 2011 in Chicago on February 2nd, 2011. Yeah. I hope we don't get this much snow again. We're just about done shoveling the front, as you can see here. And it's sunny. Let's take a look at that. I'm surprised it's even sunny. And today is Groundhog Day. I just realized. I heard that Groundhog Day was canceled though because it was going to be too cold and snowy for it. But technically, if it would be today, it might have been able to see the shadow since it's sunny out. So this is going to take a while. We have to still do the back. Well, we just got done shoveling. Look at that big pile of snow. It's finally all clear. If you remember what it looked like at the beginning of this video. Now I wonder if we're gonna get more snow that's gonna add on to that pile. Craziness. Finally got some help on the road. About time. I mean, look at all the snow. There's no way anyone could drive through the road right now, except for that thing, basically, to get the snow pushed. That'll be good. Could finally maybe possibly leave this house. So everyone working hard in the neighborhood. shovelings and stiffs and the, I don't know what you would call that, plow or that thingy, truck thing, helping us out. Get all this snow. Probably comes up to my waist and I'm about 5'5". Nuts. Closer look at what's going on here. It's a random truck that we don't know what it is. Like, does the plowing. Me and Lucy were just discussing about if it was from the city, but we have no idea where this truck came from. At least he's helping us do this. Very sweet. John Deere truck. We just noticed something. He's on the phone while he's driving away and doing this stuff. Let's see if we can take a closer look on this. I don't know if he still is, I can't tell. Yeah, he is. He's on the phone while he's plowing. I guess he needs something to do. I think it's pretty funny. Well, it's about 5-ish o'clock now, and it looks like most of the snow is cleared from the road. Somewhat, if you can tell. Oh, look, there's a car! People are actually driving through. It's a miracle. Yeah, I'm just sitting in my house. Still not really going anywhere. I mean, the roads are okay enough, but I wouldn't trust it right now. I hate driving in the snow. But yeah. I'm hoping that it doesn't snow later today anymore, but I don't think it is. I think we're pretty much done. But this is officially craziest snowfall ever. Blizzard.